breakfast, lunch, dinner, pre or post workout snack, or even a dessert are all a great time to enjoy yourself a protein smoothie. Today I'm going to be going over the materials needed to make a protein smoothie, how to make a protein smoothie, and lastly we're going to go over the benefits of a protein smoothie. Before we get into how we're going to make it, let's take a look at the materials we're going to need. First, we're going to need a blender, then we're going to need a measuring cup, some milk, vanilla protein powder, ice, strawberries, a banana, and some peanut butter. Now that we know what we need to make this protein smoothie, let's take a look at how we're going to do it. First, we're going to take a cup of ice and we're going to add that into our blender. Then we're going to take a cup of milk, we're going to add that into the blender. Then we're going to take some cut up strawberries and add that into a blender. We're also going to take a banana and cut that up and throw it into the blender. Then you can take whatever kind of protein powder you want. I have vanilla for this one, and throw that into the blender. And then lastly, take a good amount of peanut butter and add that into the blender. I use protein powder as my main protein source. There are also other things that you can use, such as Greek yogurt, um, oatmeal, or even egg whites are a good substitution for that. But now let's take a look at once you have everything added into the blender, you can go ahead and blend that up and then add it into a cup for you to enjoy your delicious protein smoothie. But now let's take a look at some of the benefits of protein smoothies. There are plenty of benefits that come with protein smoothies. The first one I have is that if you're a person that can't eat enough high protein foods within a day, a good substitution or even a snack that you can add into your daily diet would be a protein smoothie. These can add upwards of 30 grams of protein to your daily diet. Another thing it helps with is after your workouts, you can have yourself a protein smoothie. From personal experience, I know that this helps with helping with your sore muscles when you're done working out and everything like that. It can also decrease hunger and appetite. And according to healthline.com, they stated that in a study they did on a group of high school girls, it showed that the girls who ate a higher protein breakfast ate 135 less calories later in the day than the ones that ate a low protein breakfast. This leads me to my next point about how it can also help cut out fast foods. Eating a good amount of protein every day is going to make your system feel really full, and you aren't going to be craving the fast foods that you normally want. Another great benefit of protein smoothies is that there's endless combinations. I prefer the banana strawberry smoothies, but there are plenty of other ways to do it. There's all sorts of combinations for that. Then lastly, if you are lactose intolerant, there are also substitutions for milk. These consist of coconut milk, oat milk, almond milk, and soy milk. So if you are lactose, you can try out something else. Now let's take a look back at everything that we learned today. First, we went over the materials to make a protein smoothie. Then we took a look at how we were going to make the protein smoothie. And lastly, we went over the benefits of protein smoothies. After today, I hope you guys were all able to learn something new about a protein smoothie, and that hopefully you guys can add that into your daily diet. Thank you.